In this video lecture, we are going to look at how to remove a file from your system using Python programming. So let's go ahead and check it out. So let's go ahead and remove all these files. Okay, what I just did, I'll remove all this. And I'm going to leave import OS because we need the OS so that you can be able to rename or remove this file. So if you want to do that, you go ahead and say print os dot remove. You can see remove down there. And the file that you want to remove is in the C drive and is in the folder text and the name of the file. Let's go ahead and check out the name. These are the names because we changed the names before. Let's go ahead and remove the second one. That is new second. So the name of the file is new second. Is that uppercase or lowercase? Let's check it out. Okay, that is in uppercase for the S and new second.txt. New second.txt, and go ahead and run this code. Let's check it out. Alright. Process finished with exit code 0. Let's know if our file is removed. Boom. You see that? It has removed the second file. So if you do that for the first one again, it will remove that. So this is how you remove files for your system. Just give the directory of the system, the folder, and the name of the system. That is the complete directory of the system, and it will go ahead and remove that. So put this down on your system and just try to implement this because I will love you to check it out and make sure it's working out fine. Okay? Then you can be happy as a developer. And it will help you to enjoy Python programming because with one line of code, we were able to do this amazing job. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.